MSD Fitting with GI sheet for mud tiles. Mark the area with the help of forma tube or sheet. Cut the sheet with chisel and hammer. Make the final cut by scissor. Roughen the edges to apply sealant. Fold the edges upwards by plier. Smoothen the folds by hammer. Bend the two opposite edges of GI sheet by hammer. GI sheet is now ready for installation of MSD. Roughen the outer surface of the sun tube to apply sealant. Put the MSD in the hole of the GI sheet. Mix and seal properly and make dough. Put the dough on the joint. Apply the white plumber sealant or any type of color coat on top of MSD. Tie GI sheet with roof structure with GI wire. Installed MSD